How to use one Google Pay account on two devices. So basically an explanation on how this would work, including limitations. So if you want to use your the same Google Pay account in both devices, then of course you will be able to, as long as you use the same Google account credentials that you used on your primary phone or the main device you're using Google Pay on. But if you want to go ahead and use both devices to maybe use payments and whatnot, then there is that limitation since contactless tap payments can only be done from one device at a time due to security reasons. So some bank cards may restrict multiple device usage. So at that, you're gonna have to check with the Google Wallet yourself. But Google Pay will ask for re-verification on each device whenever you go ahead and pay for it. But if you want tap to buy on both devices or tap to pay, you could possibly just use maybe your main device for maybe online payments and transfers. But on the other device, you can go ahead and try using it for NFC payments if your device does have the NFC option. But that's basically an explanation on Google Pay on two devices with the same account. You can access sending and receiving money and managing transactions, but the tap to pay functionality is limited. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.